To test your knowledge series, start to ask few GK questions. Good morning to one and all. I am Mr. from grade 3. Today's GK will start. First question. What is the full form of HTML? Once again I am repeating my question. What is the full form of HTML? Correct answer is Hypertext Markup Language. Second question. Which bird is considered as symbol of peace? Once again I am repeating my question. Which bird is considered as symbol of peace? Correct answer is dove. Third question. Who discovered penicillin? Once again I am repeating my question. Who discovered penicillin? Correct answer Alexander Fleming. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.